The Google Pixel 8 Pro is the company's latest premium offerings and will be powered by its 3rd-gen Tensor chipset. Sadly, though, it appears the Tensor G3 will continue on a path of disappointing performance in light of new, leaked benchmarks. Google's Tensor family of chipsets has always remained behind the competition, and with the Tensor G3, expectations did not mount too much. However, in the latest Geekbench 6 leak, the upcoming Pixel 8 Pro performs better than anticipated, possibly thanks to Samsung's more advanced node that improves thermals. Yesterday, we got to report on a mini unboxing of the Pixel 8, and today Google's top-end flagship, the Pixel 8 Pro, obtaining a single-core and multi-core score of 1760 and 4442, respectively. The results are higher than what we perceived about the Tensor G3, but history repeats itself once more as the processor continues to be slower than the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which only means that the upcoming 8 Gen 3 will be running circles around it. The Tensor G3 itself features a 9-core CPU cluster, which was mentioned in an earlier report too, so it is possible that the additional core aided in that multi-core improvement. The benchmark also notes that the Pixel 8 Pro tested sports 12 GB RAM, and in case you did not know, the memory count remains unchanged from last year's Pixel 7 Pro. The device was also tested with Android 14 and will likely be one of the first models to get updated to the latest version. If you are disappointed with the Tensor G3's single-core and multi-core results, know that next year's Pixel release will not have significantly improved performance figures either. Google is said to stick with Samsung's foundry for the Tensor G4 in 2024, with the Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro offering a minor upgrade over the upcoming models. We should see the company finally competing with the big guns in 2025 when it is rumored to finally switch to TSMC and mass-produce the Tensor G5, which is said to arrive with its custom cores instead of ARM's designs. So what are your thoughts on the latest benchmark of the upcoming Pixel 8 Pro? Share your valuable thoughts below in the comments section. And for more updates, you can check out our channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.